project, this ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. Sissy in the block. I just wanna rock. I just wanna I just wanna rock. Body yada yada. Shorty got that body yada yada. Hit it once, no time. Set up, fuck you gon' kill my applause. Stand up, my money don't on my side. Keep them sides, and you better choose wisely. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.
Once upon a time, they lived to Harajuku Barbie. Used to watch the game in Madison Square Garden. Coliseum block on the weekends. Italian ices from the Puerto Ricans.
Hey y'all, so we are on our way to, well, these are in the back having a deep ass conversation, but yeah. We are on our way to the airport. We are all packed up, things are in the back, and yeah, so I'll see you in Portugal. So we just touched down at Stansted. These are in the corner somewhere. Just touched down. Then we're gonna go and do our little check-in. So I'm not gonna like record, but yeah, that's me. Y'all, I'm currently just waiting. My edges are a bit messed up here. In fact, let me put them on. We are waiting for the gate to come up because literally we are early, but it's still not come up. So just waiting. Just waiting. Let me get touchdown per. What does touchdown? Airport teams. Waiting on the rest of the group. They're back there somewhere.
We got through already.
Yeah, passport checked. Her.
What a nice pass.
Very much. Shades on. So see you in Portugal. Like,
See you in Portugal.
Bye. Guys, we're getting on the plane. Yes, sir.
I just wanna rock. I just wanna
So we just landed. Just making our way down. And yeah, it was actually a pretty good flight. Like, I wasn't too panicked, but yeah, just talk to you guys when we're like done with all this like extra stuff, the passports and whatnot. Yeah, hi. Hello. We made it. We made it. Now we are on our way to San Rafael. Period. And obviously I'm gonna do a little MTV clips. Oh, a little MTV clips. Get ready for it, guys. It's gonna be cute. Guaranteed. MC, make another hit.
This ain't what you want. Project, this ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.
To this side. If you will do it
Checking in. A little check-in. So guys, little tour. So this is our room. It's very cute. This is the wardrobe. This is our little view outside. It's cute, I guess. The bathroom. This is our bathroom. And this is the shower. It's very cute. It's very spacious in here. This is also me, my fit of the day. Outfit from PLT, shoes, Yeezys, and yeah. We had a bit of a kerfuffle with the rooms. I had to swap rooms with someone else, but yeah. I guess this is my MTV clips. I'm about to put all my stuff in my room now though. So hey guys, I'm just going to show you guys where I'm at. A little tour. Also, I've dressed up because we are going out for dinner and then we're going to the club. But my ears are still blocked as well from the plane. Yeah, this is so pretty. We've got some chairs and stuff here. I'm gonna flip the camera. Yeah, so this is the outdoor area for us. It's very pretty. And then our rooms, obviously everyone's got their own separate room. I might do a tour of everyone's room, and then we just use this and get back up. I'm wearing my slides. I'm gonna show you the rest. So this is our lounge area, like for the breakfast and stuff. And then this is where the breakfast bit would be, and just dinner in general. But yeah, it's, oh, it's a mirror, I didn't clock. Yeah, let me do that, because I don't know why that thing's so far up. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. But yeah. So this is the outfit.
Oh, I just did, I just sucked in my stomach.
Literally. So this is the outfit of the day. So this outfit is like a simple two-piece. So the top is from Shein, buttons from Shein, sunglasses, I don't even know where the sunglasses are from, bracelet with Vista, I don't know how to explain that, and earrings as well, and then slides are from Primark, but yeah, these slides, I think I showed them earlier how, and scent of the day is the Zara Lightly Bloom. This is my go-to, and then I use some of the white stuff.
Anyways, main character. This dress is from Shein. This bag is from,
Oh, my bag!
I think eBay, you know. Primark. These are the shoes I want to wear. And then these are from Primark as well. And yeah, it's just a vibe or whatever.
This is where my bag was from Shein as well, because if y'all know. And this is the perfume scent of the day too. So a mix of the Zara and Black Opium. Yeah.
Don't play.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Just lay in it.
This from Shein.
Behind the scenes.
This bag from Ego, I think. This is from Primark.
So we've just arrived at Italian Republic for dinner. How y'all doing? Italian Republic? Oh, she's talking about fine black man, bro. We're talking about food, honey. I love the light here. But yeah.
Something I will push it off, but if I come on delivery, I'm gonna do that.
I'm gonna do that. Back home now, but we're just chilling quickly, and then I'm gonna get ready, put on some makeup, because I think we're going to like a club or a bar, I don't know, something like that. And I just need some energy, and I'm freezing cold. Like my feet are really cold because our room for some reason is so cold, and we just put the heating on now. So I'm waiting to warm up first, and then I'm gonna get ready. See y'all later. Hello. We're very much ready for our night time.
He ate that shit up.
Alicia's hair. We're about to make a TikTok so y'all can see the behind the scenes.
She knows about Bangor as well.
What song?
I don't even know what it's called. Shut up, do what it does, know what it is.
Who sings that? I don't know.
This is practice. So what are you going to be doing? I don't know how to do it. You know, like it starts off and back.
I don't know how to do that.
Oh, I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it.
Something like that. Something like that. I'm gonna do a little something cute.
Ready?
That was actually, let's see.
I got over it.
Oh, and she gave my tip. So that's our first TikTok. Matilda, she's in my TikTok. Her. Tara, what you doing?
Chilling, man. Ready to get to the club.
Chilling, yeah, we getting ready. You know the vibes.
30.
Period. So guys, we are on the strip. Her.
You know it's optimal. Same bitch. That's all my friends are saying, nigga. I think you're just
Hello, we just learned a TikTok there. My name is Bella Hadid. Denial is a river in Egypt. Your husband is gay. We're having a pool party. No, we're not. It's literally just us three. Everyone else is lame. Boo. Tomato, tomato, tomato. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god. Is it cold? Oh my god.
Alright, whenever you lot are ready.
Stand on the edge of the pool because you guys are not jumping from there. Be real.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
I can't do it. What?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So obviously, guys, after jumping in that pool, first of all, it was fucking freezing. It was freezing like so much. I had to take a shower, and then now I'm getting ready to go to bed. My hair is really wet, so I honestly think I'm gonna try blow dry or just sleep with a towel on, or like a shower cap. I don't know, because it's just a lot. And then obviously tomorrow on the itinerary we got a boat trip, so yeah, stay tuned. Like I said, always. Good morning. Just having breakfast. Breakfast looks amazing, and I'm so hungry. We've only had 4 hours of sleep. Don't know how we're awake in time for breakfast. But yeah, just waiting for everyone else to join us. Morning. That's literally what I said. I was like, good morning. The sun is out. It is a little bit cold, a little bit chilly. But yeah, the sun's out, so it kind of warms me up, honey. Hey vlog, today is day 2 in Portugal. This is the outfit of the day. We are just getting ready to go on the boat. Oh, somebody's hairband. Look at the views right now. Like, this is just so beautiful. I just love it. Yeah, so we're going on the boat, like I told y'all. And it's literally 1. We were meant to be there by 1. We're leaving now, and yeah, see you guys on the boat, on the yacht. Vlog. The others are here. Vlog. We're gonna get on the boat, like, meow. The cab. In the yacht. Let's go get away. Say what they gonna say. but look at the pictures that came out. We just look amazing. Like a moment for the girls and the guys. Please, this is a beautiful picture. So we are currently in the McDonald's. We're so hungry. And this is what I got. So I got some this burger thingy. I'll open it later. And then I got a M&M McFlurry because we don't have that in London. And then we got this drink. And then this sauce.
Then dip me underway. You can hit me on my first love when I went slow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Yeah, so, and then Fridays I don't have lectures. Sometimes I have a workshop.
But that's okay.
Yeah, so I'm okay with missing that. Y'all won't miss me too much anyways, yeah.
I don't think if I miss anything this week is that deep.
Yeah.
Because I feel like my last few lectures, like, I could have just read the slides.
Exactly. So, most of it you can catch up on, so it's not that deep. Oh my god, so there was these, and I went to go get this mini something. Congratulations for being a dumb bitch.
A picture of those.
So we are just having a little tour of the area. It's so beautiful.
It's stunning, guys.
I mean, if you ain't in Portugal, then where is you at? Like, what is you doing? But I love it. Like, we took some pictures as well. It's so cute. I mean, only exclusive people will see the pictures because y'all not that cute.
Not in the photos, you don't get it.
You don't get it.
Because you're basically talking about
we're going go-karting today.
Do you know what I mean? Like,
are you excited for go-karting?
I'm very excited for go-karting.
Are you excited for go-karting?
I'm very excited.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are y'all excited?
So excited.
Ow! I'm so excited. Oh my god, like this is so New York.
Right? Look at that. We're gonna go look at the pizza.
The pizza from the pizzeria. We're literally in Portugal speaking like we're Italians. What?
Oh my god, me and my friend went to Italy.
We are doing go-karting. Who won? Me. Are you sure? Hey guys, we're in Zara. I just bought a new jumper and I've already put it on because it's a little bit chilly. And we got some other stuff. Everyone's just over there. Matilda's bag broke, so she has to get another one. But yeah, we're going to do some more makeup shopping and stuff. See ya. It's my birthday in 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's exactly what I asked for. Thank you. Something for you.
there's a surprise for you.
A surprise for me?
It's not scary. It's not scary.
Hello, it's my birthday, I'm gonna spend my money. I'm actually not gonna spend my money, I'm gonna spend your money. Cause it's my birthday, so everything's free. Happy birthday to me, guys. I got a surprise, like there's a beautiful video of all my friends back in London. And my family was very, 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 very cute, and I love you guys so much, thank you. And now I'm just getting ready because we're going to the club, but like because everyone's in the room, it's a bit loud, but yeah.
I go the other way.
So David was like, I tell her make me some money. She told me make me a wife. I tell her that's crazy. Hey vlog, so today is my birthday. And we are going to the beach and we're gonna go get a full body massage and we're gonna go and explore, you know those fishes that like basically eat the dirt off your feet? We're gonna do that and it's gonna be very interesting. So stay tuned, like I always say. This is just gonna be a quick outfit of the day. Shades are from Shein. This beautiful dress is also from Shein. This is for my sister's portrait. These are some Gucci slides. Scent of the day is, we are using actually Soap and Glory original pink because it's a pink weekend, bitch. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Yeah, and I see some very cute pictures today. So yeah, y'all gonna see that.
So we've arrived at Sensation, about to get this spa and a full body massage. Guys, we about to put on.
I just feel like I'm gonna put my feet in water to be honest. I don't know. Not really think about it.
Oh, that's something.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. I'm gagging. Ew. Ew. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, Heavenly Father. It's swimming off.
It feels like someone's doing this. Tickling your feet like
Or like.
We just finished our private dinner at Buddha House. And it was literally 10 out of 10. The food was amazing. Service, amazing. And ambiance with the people that I love, amazing. Give me vibe, it's a vibe. Hey. And oh. Bon dia. We are eating breakfast. Today, we're literally the only people here. This is our guest house, basically. And they've got donuts for us. You don't know that I'm gonna get 6. You don't know, because don't do me like that. Donuts. Yes, that's for me. But yeah, I'm with Alicia so far. Everyone else is not awake yet because they're lame. Boo, tomato. But yeah, on our itinerary today is to go to the beach, get another massage, and do some souvenir shopping as it's basically our last day. I mean, tomorrow we still have a full day, but we'll just see how that goes. So that's what we're doing today. Stay tuned. Hey vlog, we are at the beach.
Why is she calling me on Instagram?
Who calls on Instagram? God. Yeah, we're at the beach
Instagram.
and it's literally so beautiful. But we're also gonna go get another massage, which is literally around the corner. So yeah.
They rock right up to the side of my mountain, climb until you reach my peak, babe, peak, babe, peak. Reach right into the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep, babe, deep, babe, deep.
Souvenir shopping. How much does the earth cost? Everyone say I love sushi. You a kid. Say I love sushi.
I love sushi.
Period. Go. It was good. I love sushi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hello guys, it is home time. The plane's there.
This makes more sense.
Yeah, so we're going home now. A bit sad. See y'all in London.
Until you reach my peak, babe.